Hello, everyone. So today we're graphing, all right? Typically, if we go back to elementary school, when you graphed, you guys only dealt with that, all right? And that's because you are only playing with positive numbers. So you always would go to the right because that's positive numbers, and you would go up because those were positive numbers. Now, when we are graphing, we open up the doors to our negative numbers, and we can actually go in four different locations there. So you should see like four boxes, all right? We're in the upper right. This is called quadrant one, quadrant two, quadrant three, and then over here is quadrant four. That's in tomorrow's video there. But anyway, we're graphing here. So the rule here is you always go on the x-axis first, just like before, and then you either go up or down on the y-axis. So in this first one, it's the ordered pair 10, 7. So we always start at 0. And this set, because it's a positive 10, we go to the right to 10. And then because it's a positive 7, we go up to 7. We click, and then we submit. All right. Now, we're asking for to graph the ordered pair negative 7, 4. Again, we start at 0. We always go left or right first. And because the first number is negative, we go to the left to where a negative 7 would be. Since the second number is positive, positive numbers are going to make us go up. So we're going to go up to positive 4, click, and submit. All right, the ordered pair 3, 8. We're going to go to the right to positive 3. We're going to go up to positive 8, click, and submit. And let's do one more here. Here we've got the ordered pair negative 10, 8. So we're going to go to the left to negative 10, and then we're going to go up to 8. Again, left or right first, up or down second. That's it. We're going to be graphing. Oh, we got two negatives. Let's do two negatives here. The order pair negative 1, negative 7. Again, always start at the 0 there. We're going to go to the left to negative 1. We're going to go down to negative 7. Voila, we're there. All right. So for, excuse me, for today, all right, we're not asking that you just get to 70. We are asking that you get to 90. All right. Yes, get to that smart score of 90. You are graphing here today. That's it, people. Enjoy.